Ladies and gentlemen, Medicalpacas at your service. Now, has there ever been a situation where you happen to stumble upon a very attractive person at a park or a mall or even a store, and you thought maybe to yourself, hey, what if I took a surf on their waves? Or where would it go? Maybe this could be the start of something big. Well, luckily, your neighborhood YouTuber is here to help. Now, I know you're probably freaking out right now, but there's no need to stress. It's actually quite simple. With only 3 chords, you two can play catchy songs or even hack a theme song. You can catch your lover's first sight. So grab that string box you call a guitar, and let's get grooving.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
We'll start things off real easy and play a song that everyone has pretty much heard. It's not really a song, it's more of a theme song. The Adventure Time theme song, to be more exact. Now just play in a soft, easy beat until you're comfortable with speeding up, and feel free to rewind and pause however many times you'd like. Adventure time, come on, grab your friends, we're going to very distant lands with Jake the dog and Finn the human. The fun will never end, it's adventure time. Bingo bango. And with those kind of skills, it could be easy to swing up someone that looks exactly like Molly Ringwald.
Well, if it isn't Sammy Baker Davis Jr.
Now that you have the appetizers, I think it's time you have the full course. 4 words. Riptide by Vance Joy. But for this one, we'll only be using 3 chords throughout the whole song. It's not that difficult. Now again, feel free to rewind or pause as many times as you like until you feel comfortable playing the song. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dreams. Oh, oh, and they come unstuck, laid left, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man. I love you when you're singing the song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Now welcome to the Guitars Club, where when entering a guitar center, you may think you are impressing people by playing riffs from Guns N' Roses, but you're just actually in general annoying people. Where Smoke on the Water will be played constantly on your guitar. All this as you begin your string journey. We welcome all of you, fellow cliches. Yes. And that's the end of this mini tutorial video. If you really liked it, make sure you comment and like below. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon so you can see every time I'm posting. And have a good one. Bye, everybody.
Perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning. I love you, dog!